If you are someone who loves technology, then you already know how ChatGPT has been revolutionizing our world. It is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, which has been trained on a massive amount of text data to generate human-like responses to a wide range of queries. ChatGPT has been designed to simulate human-like conversations, making it an ideal tool for customer service, personal assistance, and other applications that require natural language interaction. In 2024, AI conversations are expected to play a significant role in various industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. With the increasing demand for personalized and efficient services, AI-powered conversational agents are becoming more popular. They can provide 24/7 customer support, automate repetitive tasks, and improve the overall user experience. Moreover, AI conversations can help businesses collect valuable data about their customers, which can be used to improve their products and services. We will explore the future of AI conversations in 2024, but before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Silk channel to watch more tech-related videos, and with that, let's get started. ChatGPT has evolved significantly since its inception in 2022. The latest version, ChatGPT 4, has 13 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models in the world. This has enabled ChatGPT to generate more accurate and human-like responses to a wide range of queries. Moreover, ChatGPT has been trained on a diverse range of text data, including books, articles, and social media posts, making it more adaptable to different contexts. The impact of ChatGPT in the field of AI conversations has been significant. It has paved the way for the development of more advanced conversational agents that can understand and respond to human language more accurately. Moreover, ChatGPT has made it easier for businesses to integrate AI-powered conversational agents into their operations, improving their efficiency and customer satisfaction. Enhanced natural language understanding. ChatGPT's evolution has led to significant improvements in its natural language understanding (NLU) capabilities. ChatGPT 4 has been trained on a diverse range of text data, enabling it to understand and respond to a wide variety of queries with greater accuracy and nuance. This enhanced NLU has allowed ChatGPT to better comprehend the context and intent behind user queries, leading to more relevant and human-like responses. Contextual understanding and improved responsiveness. One of the most notable advancements in ChatGPT is its ability to understand context and provide more responsive answers. ChatGPT can now understand the context of a conversation and provide relevant information based on the user's previous queries. This contextual understanding allows ChatGPT to provide more accurate and personalized responses, making it an ideal tool for customer service, personal assistance, and other applications that require natural language interaction. Handling complex queries in nuanced conversations. ChatGPT's enhanced NLU capabilities have also enabled it to handle complex queries and nuanced conversations more effectively. ChatGPT can now understand the nuances of human language, such as sarcasm, irony, and metaphors, and provide more accurate and relevant responses. This ability to handle complex queries and nuanced conversations makes ChatGPT an ideal tool for industries such as healthcare, finance, and education, where accurate and nuanced responses are crucial. Personalization and user adaptability. ChatGPT has ushered in a new era of AI conversations, placing a strong emphasis on personalization and user adaptability. This advanced AI model, known as ChatGPT, has significantly enhanced its capabilities to tailor conversations to individual users, learn from their preferences and history, and provide adaptive conversational experiences, thereby redefining the way we interact with AI. Tailoring conversations to individual users. ChatGPT's personalization capabilities have reached new heights, allowing it to tailor conversations to the unique choices, interests, and language patterns of each user. By analyzing past interactions and user-provided information, ChatGPT can dynamically adjust its responses to align with the individual's communication style and interests. Whether it's a casual chat, seeking information, or engaging in a specific topic, ChatGPT can adapt its tone, vocabulary, and content to resonate with the user, creating a more personalized and engaging experience. Learning from user preferences and history. One of the most remarkable aspects of ChatGPT's evolution is its ability to learn from user preferences and history. Through continuous interaction, ChatGPT accumulates valuable insights into the user's likes, dislikes, and conversational patterns. This enables the AI to proactively anticipate user needs, suggest relevant topics, and avoid repetitive or uninteresting content. By leveraging this deep understanding of the user, ChatGPT can craft conversations that are not only personalized but also highly relevant and engaging, fostering a stronger connection between the user and the AI. Adaptive conversational experiences. The concept of adaptive conversational experiences lies at the core of ChatGPT's evolution. This entails the AI's capacity to dynamically adjust its conversational approach in real time based on the user's responses, emotional cues, and evolving preferences. Whether the user's mood changes, their interests shift, or they seek a different conversational style, ChatGPT can seamlessly adapt to ensure that the interaction remains meaningful and enjoyable. This adaptability enhances the overall user experience, making conversations with ChatGPT feel more natural, responsive, and tailored to the user's current state of mind. If you're enjoying it so far and haven't subscribed to the Tech Silk yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to watch more tech-related videos. Multimodal capabilities. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT's multimodal capabilities are poised to revolutionize the future of AI conversations. By integrating text, images, and potentially other modalities, ChatGPT will offer a more immersive and enriching user experience, as detailed below. Integration of text, images, and other modalities. The multimodal capabilities of ChatGPT will enable users to interact with AI in a more natural and intuitive manner. This will be achieved by seamlessly integrating text, images, and other modalities such as audio, video, and even haptic feedback. For instance, users may be able to ask for visual representations of complex concepts, receive audio explanations, or even feel tactile feedback when interacting with the AI. Enriching user experience through diverse content. The multimodal capabilities of ChatGPT will enhance the user experience by providing diverse content that caters to various learning styles and preferences. For example, users who prefer visual learning may be able to receive explanations in the form of infographics, diagrams, or animations. Similarly, users who prefer auditory learning may be able to receive explanations in the form of podcasts or audio recordings. Moreover, multimodal AI conversations will enable users to interact with AI in a more engaging and immersive manner. For instance, users may be able to explore 3D models, virtual environments, or even augmented reality experiences when interacting with ChatGPT. Applications and implications of multimodal AI conversations. The multimodal capabilities of ChatGPT will have far-reaching implications across various industries and applications. Multimodal AI conversations will enable users to experience entertainment in a more engaging and immersive manner. For instance, users may be able to explore virtual environments, interact with 3D models, or even experience augmented reality experiences when interacting with ChatGPT. Multimodal AI conversations will enable researchers and developers to explore complex concepts in a more engaging and immersive manner. For instance, researchers may be able to explore 3D models, interact with virtual environments, or even experience augmented reality experiences when interacting with ChatGPT. Industry applications. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT has emerged as a pioneering force, redefining the boundaries of AI-driven conversations. As we venture into the year 2024, the potential applications of ChatGPT in various industries are poised to revolutionize customer service, healthcare, education, and beyond. ChatGPT in customer service and support. The customer service sector has been one of the earliest adopters of ChatGPT technology. By leveraging the platform's natural language processing capabilities, companies can provide instant, personalized, and accurate responses to customer inquiries. ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate human-like language has enabled businesses to automate customer support, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction. Implementations in healthcare, education, and other sectors. The healthcare industry has embraced ChatGPT to enhance patient care and improve access to medical information. For instance, ChatGPT can assist patients in managing chronic conditions, providing personalized health advice, and facilitating remote consultations with healthcare professionals. In education, ChatGPT has been used to create personalized learning experiences, offering students instant access to educational resources and providing tutoring services. Beyond healthcare and education, ChatGPT has found applications in diverse sectors such as finance, legal services, and human resources. For example, ChatGPT can assist financial advisors in providing personalized investment advice, help legal professionals draft legal documents, and streamline HR processes by automating routine tasks. Collaborations and partnerships shaping AI conversations in various industries. The success of ChatGPT in various industries has led to a surge in collaborations and partnerships between tech companies and industry leaders. For instance, Microsoft has integrated ChatGPT into its Bing search engine, providing users with AI-generated responses to their queries. Similarly, Google has announced plans to integrate AI-powered chatbots into its search engine, aiming to provide users with more accurate and personalized search results. Moreover, tech giants such as Amazon, Apple, and Facebook have also invested in AI-driven chatbot technology, aiming to enhance user experiences across their respective platforms. These collaborations and partnerships have paved the way for a new era of AI-driven conversations, where AI-powered chatbots will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of customer interactions, knowledge sharing, and decision-making processes. As we gaze into the future, the next few years will witness the emergence of advanced natural language processing techniques, enabling AI systems to engage in more nuanced, context-aware, and human-like interactions. The ChatGPT revolution will have a profound impact on society, transforming the way we communicate, learn, and work. AI-driven conversations will enable more efficient and effective knowledge sharing, leading to the democratization of information and the creation of new opportunities for collaboration and innovation. If you enjoy watching tech-related videos, then make sure to check out these videos as well.